Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Battery above 50% and Bluetooth on. Open the manufacturer app on your phone and sign into your account so settings sync later. On the watch, power it up and pick your language, then select pairing or Bluetooth mode. This tells the watch to look for a phone. Once you see the watch on your phone's app list, tap it to initiate connection. This begins the secure handshake that lets the devices exchange settings. Once the phone detects the watch, confirm the pairing code displayed on both devices. This prevents accidental connections and verifies trust. After code confirmation, the app will request permissions, allow notifications, location, contacts, and health data as needed so features work correctly. Make sure to choose which apps and data to sync. Pick watch faces, notifications, and specific health metrics. If the app asks about background app refresh, complete the initial sync and accept any firmware updates the watch prompts. Updates often fix pairing quirks. Once updated, test a call, send a notification, and start a short workout to confirm health and notification flows. Make sure Do Not Disturb and battery-saving modes are off if you miss alerts. If pairing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and try pairing again. As a last resort, unpair and reset the watch, then repeat the process to clear persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.